that is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So I have drawn a triangle over here, and you can see BA and AC is part of tree. After breaking down, the tree whose length was BC broken at A point and touches the ground at C point. Means the original height of the tree was BC, and it broken due to storm at the point A and bent so that it touches the ground at C point. And the distance from the foot of tree to the ground point where it touches the ground, the tree touches the ground, is C. So the distance between the foot of the tree and the point where the tree touches the ground is 8 meter. Here it comes. I think the diagram is clear to you. So we have to find out the length of AB and AC, because collectively the summation of these two, AB and AC, will make the height of tree. So let us say height of tree is AB plus AC. AB is remaining part, AC is broken part. Initially it was like straight, it was there, 3 point was there or whatever, and BC broken down at A point, and now the C part touches the ground over here, and distance between B and C is 8 meter. So height of tree is AB plus AC. Now we know that AB upon BC is equal to tan 30 degree. Here is 30 degree, its height, its base. So tan 30 is equal to AB upon BC. Now we know that the value of BC is 8 meter. So AB upon 8 is equal to tan 30 degree. And we know the value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon square root of 3. So AB upon 8 is equal to 1 upon root 3. It means by cross multiplication we can get AB is equal to 8 upon root 3. Now we need to find the value of AC. So here in this diagram we already have value of AB, which is equal to 8 upon root 3. Similarly, AB upon AC is equal to sin 30 degree. AB upon AC is sin 30 degree, and value of AB is 8 upon square root of 3 slash AC, and we know that the sine of 30 degree makes 1 upon 2. So value of sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2. By cross multiplication we get AC is equal to 2 multiplied by 8 upon square root of 3, which is equal to 16 upon square root of 3. Now height of tree is equal to AB plus AC, which is equal to AB is equal to 8 upon root 3 and AC is equal to 16 upon root 3. So it will be equal to 24 upon square root of 3. So now to simplify it further, we will multiply this 24 upon root 3 by root 3 in denominator and numerator as well. So 24 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 will be equal to 24 root 3 upon 3, and 3 will be cancelled out by 24, and it will be 8 root 3 meter. So height of tree is 8 root 3 meter. That is answer. So in this video we have solved another question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. We will clear your doubt. And if you feel any problem in mathematics, whether it be algebra, trigonometry or whatever. Just write down the question in comment box. We will solve the question and make a video and upload on our channel. Till then, keep watching videos of our channel. Thank you.